Okay, we start with the fender number 2. This one is rough. It's no holes in it, but it's rusted. So, yeah, it's surface rust, so it's not that bad. The only bad section is this. And there's absolutely nothing I can do about that now. So you can see it's not that bad. It's really not that bad, this one. This is an aftermarket fender. Yeah, so at the end of the day, this one we finished priming, so all paint off and all holes welded up except that one. But it still makes a lot of crap. Yeah, well, it's not gonna be a show car. I've done this whole section, that batch is a bit bad, but yeah, I can live with that. As I say, this is not gonna be a show car, it's gonna be a racing car. But yeah, this one, it's a lot of work. Okay, so let's do this.